Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the distance from max drive range function in the Zap-Map application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the routes button at the bottom of the page. And then click on the create a route plan button. So first you have to set a starting and a destination location. And then click on the next step to confirm this. And here click on the more options button. And to enable this distance from max drive range function, you have to set the routing mode to suggest chargers, and now you can edit it. So just set the distance to the kilometer that you want to use, and that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.